Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. If you like driving around in style, there's no reason why your kid doesn't deserve to either. The Mercedes AMG GTR demonstrates AMG's development and racing expertise and pushes the limits of dynamic driving even further, making the AMG DNA even more enjoyable. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats, If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.